Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice by boiling. First, select your desired rice type, like long grain white or brown rice. Measure 1 cup of rice for every 2 servings you plan to make. Next, place the measured rice in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it under cold running water. Continue rinsing until the water that drains from the rice is completely clear. This step helps remove excess starch. Achieving perfectly cooked rice starts with the right water ratio. For most white rice, use 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. Bring this measured water to a strong, rolling boil in a saucepan with a tight-fitting lid. You can also add a small pinch of salt to the boiling water at this stage. This simple addition will help enhance the natural flavor of your rice. Once the water is boiling, carefully add your rinsed rice to the pot. Give it 1 quick stir to ensure all the grains are submerged. Immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting, cover the pot tightly with a lid, and let it simmer for approximately 18 minutes. After simmering, remove the pot from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for 10 minutes. Do not lift the lid during this time. After the resting period, remove the lid and gently fluff the rice with a fork. This separates the grains and releases any remaining steam, ensuring a light and airy texture. Your perfectly cooked, fluffy rice is now ready to be served as a delicious side dish or as part of your main meal. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.